We have more breaking inputs coming in, and this is what top sources are telling your channel. Union Secretary has agreed to the doctors' demand, has verbally agreed to Resident Doctor Association's demand for formation of Central Protection Act against the doctors. Let me, in fact, bring in Priyank for more on this. Priyank, what we do know is that for a really long time, doctors have been demanding a separate law. What sources are telling us right now is that the Union Secretary has agreed to RDA's demand for formation of a Central Protection Act.
Yes, Satiswati, that is a basic demand which has been risen by the doctors time and again. Within 20 months, there have been 3 separate incidences of attack on the doctors if we talk about the national capital. Today, the meeting has just concluded, which was headed by Union Health Secretary Apurva Chandra and Union Joint Secretary. This was a meeting where the doctors from MAMC and other federations of the resident doctors were also present. And what we are getting to know that the Union Secretary has verbally agreed to the RDA's demand for the formation of a Central Protection Act against doctor. The RDA had demanded this committee so that there should not be no further attack on the doctors, and if something happens, the law should protect them from further kind of violence. The RDA is saying that we are insisting for the written commitment, and until that this written commitment is received by the Union, Health Ministry, they are not going to stop this nationwide agitation, which is seen from all across the country, which has been reported extensively on Times Network. So the big breaking input which is coming here, that the RDA's meeting has just concluded, where they have once again presented this particular demand for the Protection of Doctors Act, which is very important at this moment, looking at what had happened in Kolkata.
Right, so Central Protection Act to provide protection to the doctors in wake of rising cases of violence, a demand that has been made for a really long time now. This is what sources are telling us, that the Union Secretary has verbally agreed to the demands. Let's now listen in to the political reactions coming in. Remember, a short while back, Ravi Shankar Prasad held a press conference here out of the Mamata Banerjee government. Listen in.
मैं फिर कहूंगा, बंगाल में जो हो रहा है वो सरकारी आतंक का खौफनाक सच है। जो एक डॉक्टर के साथ बदसलूकी से जो बलात्कार हत्या हुआ, आप उसकी ठीक से पोस्टमार्टम नहीं कराते हैं, आप इनक्वेस्ट रिपोर्ट ठीक से नहीं बनाते हैं। डॉक्टर अजीब प्रकार की बातें कर रहे हैं, कुछ लोग सुसाइड की बात कर रहे हैं। क्या मतलब है इसका? हम डिमांड करते हैं सीबीआई इंक्वायरी, जो वहां की भाजपा ने कहा है। और ममता जी, आप बार बार सीबीआई से भागती हैं, कम से कम एक मरी हुई डॉक्टर की नृशंस हत्या के तो न्याय दे दीजिए। आप कहिए, हमें कोई आपत्ति नहीं है। वी कंडेम दिस काइंड ऑफ हीनस अटेम्प्ट फॉर कवर अप।
Well, the parents have complained that the police has tried to bribe them to cover up the case before the cremation of the body. This points, the needle of suspicion is that there are important personalities involved in this rape, and this is a massive exercise to cover up. Mamta ji, who is the Home Minister, needs to answer these questions. Doctors are being murdered and raped in the state of West Bengal.
The rape case that has taken place in RG Kar Hospital of Bengal, now protests are erupting all across the country. Even in Delhi, AIIMS, the doctors are holding a protest, but the politics is also continuing. The BJP is attacking the state government regarding this entire issue.
No, irrespective of whose government, when we were in power in Delhi, Nirbhaya happened. We need to come together as a society. If we can't keep our doctors safe, what kind of a society are we? This question we need to ask ourselves. And politics must happen, it does happen, it should happen. But even when we are doing our politics, we need to address these very serious social issues.
Let's in fact also go across to Neha. Neha, nationwide protests taking place. Tell us what's happening in Bengaluru. Well, Well, yes, absolutely. You know, much like the nationwide strike that's going on now by doctors across the country, right here in Bengaluru too, at the Nimhans Hospital, you know, doctors have in fact sat on strike, and they are very, very clear on their demand that they are not going to stop their strike. They're not going to call off their strike until such time that their demands are not met. Of course, while their demands are in line with what all of the other doctors across the country have been demanding, we'll try and quickly speak to a couple of the women doctors here as well and understand from them, you know, what, of course, really is their reaction to the latest breaking that we just had right now. Hi, ma'am, if I can speak to you, we're just speaking to women doctors to understand. Doctors across the state are on strike. Till when are you all going to continue your strike? Until such time that the government does not respond to the demand?
So the idea is to continue our protest till we get a considerable action taken by the government of Kolkata. So this is our idea now, and this should be a significant impact on the judiciary as well. So this will not be taken up. It is not entertained as well, because safety is our right. Safety is the basic necessity of any resident of India, not just a doctor.
Okay. Hi, if I can ask you as well, you know, we're seeing that women doctors often feel unsafe, you know, after an incident like this has happened. We're now picking up, you know, from our sources that a meeting was conducted and verbally the government has agreed to implement the CPA Act, that's the Protection Act that doctors have been asking for. Is this some sort of respite coming through?
We will have to just wait and see like what will happen further. Still there is a lot of thing that has to come up. They have to respond better, in a better way.
Okay. All right. Neha, thank you very much for getting us the details. In fact,